HiCAD Metal Engineering Solution, Workshop Drawing and BOM available at the push of a button. The HiCAD Metal Engineering Solution allows the planning of complex constructions, from the creation of the first drafts to the generation of the production documents. Overview plans with derived sectional and detail views are created from the project at the push of a button. Step 1. All parts are automatically itemized. The configuration for the itemization and identical part search is customizable. Step 2. Now, workshop drawings for parts and assemblies can be created. The output of the drawing is also customizable. The part or assembly drawings are output automatically. All drawings are automatically dimensioned and annotated. In assembly drawings, the associated bill of materials is displayed too. The title blocks of the drawings are filled in automatically. Step 3. Project comprehensive bills of materials are generated and output. There are many different bills of materials available: structure lists, quantity lists, or lists of sawn beams and profiles, bolt and screw lists, shipping lists, or bar lists. All this and much more is available to the user of the HiCAD Metal Engineering Solution.